Hello guys, today I've got Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 8 and I'm going to show you how to use the flex mode. At first open the settings and here you need to open advanced features right here. As you can see here I've got something called flex mode panel. Turn it on by tapping this switch. Pardon me. Now we can open the camera application, for example, and now once you hold your phone to 90 degrees, you can tap this button. Now we can here manage with the touchpad, I don't know why we can't see this touchpad. We should be able to see here touchpad. Oh, now I'm just kind of tired. Sorry. Here we've got touchpad. Here we can reverse our camera and many more. We can just control our screen using this mode, and we can modify this flex mode panel right here. Scroll to position, touchpad just to help, and show auto show panel unfolded. Bye.